guys, Rhino here. So it is Sunday, about 6:20 in the morning, and right now we're heading to Newberry, somewhere close to Barstow. There's two trucks that got stuck in sand, and by the pictures they sent to us, it seems like it should be an easy and quick job. It's gonna be more of a drive, than actually pulling them out, I would assume. But you never know until you get there, right? So as you know, I'll keep recording in a little bit. And if you guys like my videos, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe, and I will really appreciate that. And thank you guys for coming along. Last time I was on an airplane, it was to Vegas and back, and on my flight there and back, I got to see these circles, and I was always wondering, what they were. It didn't make sense that if it was, crops, that they would waste, all that much more land when they could make it all, square. So I never really got to know what it was until this recovery. So this is the irrigation system, and it is pinned to the center of the circle, and it actually goes all the way around. As you can see, it's huge. So this is why they make the the crops in a circle shape, and I didn't know about it. So you said there's two vehicles?
Yeah.
So what happened?
So we have one Silverado. That one got stuck in some sand, and we got it out. And we got stuck in another bit of sand. And then we have another Silverado 4x4. But
Do you have a street tires on that one?
No. No, it has some obvious tires.
So it's that soft, huh?
Yeah, it's got really soft.
Alright.
It's not very far from hard packed ground like this.
Okay.
So we tried digging them out using mats, obviously.
Right.
But I don't push it too hard because it would have kept digging in, and I guess the next step would have been to deflate the tires a little bit.
Right.
But I don't really want to do that, just because.
Is your frame, are you very up to the frame?
One of them is pretty close.
Okay. Yeah, we'll get you out, don't worry. Shouldn't be a big deal at all. We'll see. I always say that and ends up being, a little bit more than what I expect.
Yeah, there they are.
Oh, I see them. Alright. Alright, let's see. Let me check it out and see which way we want to approach this. Oh yeah, you can feel the sand being like really soft. If you don't mind, I'm gonna take a quick video around.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, we're here. Let's check it out. Let's see what the situation is. So the sand is very, very soft. They have some good tires right here. They probably should have turned down a little bit. It's a nice Chevy though. As I was coming in here, you could feel the sand, being soft. But we should be able to handle it. No problem. Time to engage the 4x4. driver tried to give it some gas, but you could tell he was already digging in. What's with the sand?
Yeah, and I got told in the front.
All right.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Should
I
I
don't
go?
know.
That's where
Yeah, you should.
just came? You think I should go the way you just came?
Yeah.
And keep it forward low or high?
High is fine.
Not neutral, right?
No, reverse.
Reverse.
Reverse. When I honk, just give it a little bit of gas. Se pull you. I mean, for high.
Go high right now. Should I go that way?
Yeah, that way. Same way.
Like it's stuck.
Go for it. You're fine.